has a long easy. It is an experimental, amateur-built airplane designed by the legendary designer Burt Rutan. It's backwards, but it's fully aerobatic. It has weight because only the nose gear retracts. The tail, or the elevator that's usually at the back of the, usually at the back on the tail, is on the front. It's called a canard. The propeller is in the back. It's a pusher. Fowler got his start. Look at this thing. Got his start in aviation at a very early age when he began announcing at age 12 for his dad, Ken Fowler's air show routine. Though this airplane isn't capable of aggressive aerobatics at more it's got a 180 horsepower motor on it. It enables him to fly at about 200 miles per hour. And he flew it all the way to Florida from Western Alberta, Canada. We were talking the other day and he said, I really don't want to fly it back up to Canada right now because it's cold, doesn't have a heater in it. So he's going to try to figure out some way to keep it down here in Florida and then still get the maintenance done on it for next season. Very unique rudder situation, but let's watch him now as he does a clover loop. With a quarter roll to the right, and he'll head out toward the tower. Kind of buzzing those guys. I'm hoping that the guys and ladies in the tower will post some of these pictures on Facebook or Instagram or something. Now let's watch Kyle as he does a barrel roll, once again maintaining 1G all the way around. Kyle has owned this airplane since 2015 and he bought it specifically to fly for air shows. He's currently long easy maintenance. Because it's an amateur built or a home built aircraft, he can do a lot of the work himself on the aircraft. Very unique rudder situation that rather than the pedals working left and right to turn a single rudder, each pedal controls the winglet on each wing and they only go outward. And I think what we ought to do right now is go live to the cockpit and say hello to Kyle Fowler.
Hey Rob, I got to fly all the way back, gonna make the trip on Sunday, and it's already snowing back home, so gonna be a long trip. But hey Rob, how's everybody doing down there?
Well folks, make some noise, give him a round of applause so he can hear you in the cockpit. You hear that?
I do indeed, and well, I got you on the radio here, Rob. Let's have a big round of applause for all the volunteers, and we also know there's some volunteers out there for all the hard work they do. Without them, we can't do what we do, and let me tell you, Rob, I love what I do.
And we love watching you too. I was just telling the people about the unique rudder situation. When you press on the right pedal, the rudder only turns to the outside. Is that correct?
That's correct, and if I press the both, then they both go down, and it works kind of like a speed brake. But hey, Rob, that's all the time I've got for today, so I'm going to come around and land.
Oh, okay, you're going to land?
Yes, I'm going around, power's back, gears coming down.
Okay, the nose gear, that's very unique.
A little different, and we're running a little bit long here, but we're going to touch down about maybe field on the runway.
Because
Rob, what's this bike on the runway here?
I don't know what he's doing out there. It's a fouled runway. I don't think you can land yet. The motorcycle's out there.
Air show, right, Rob?
Well, I hope so. I don't know. I don't even know if he's got a radio or not. But what do you? Can you chase him out?
I'll see what I can do. I'm gonna come around. I'm gonna scare him off the runway.
You're gonna scare him off the runway?
Oh yeah, he's sitting the bike and inside the air, so I think he's got the wrong direction. He must be from, I think he's from Oklahoma or something.
Well, let me do a little. Anybody have it? Oh yeah, I've Well, that didn't frighten him off.
What do you do, Rob?
I don't know. I think you make another pass, get a little lower, get a little closer.
All right, I'm gonna go right between his ramps to make sure that he knows that this is an air show. Cody, are you ready?
Hey, Cody, are you ready? I guess he is. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up, take a look. Because what we're going to see here, Cody is going to go jump.
Off of my runway so I can come in and land, and we can get on with the air show.
Sounds good.
That's a narrow spot to fly between. You know that, Rob?
Yep. It's a tight squeeze in there, but you look down, you're about 3 feet off the runway, and well, let's see if he can go over you. I'm going to give up the little, the secret now. Here goes. Oh, not that time.
I'm scared of him. Let's try this again.
Okay, you're gonna make a full circle?
I'm gonna come right back around. We're gonna do this again.
More time. Cody Elkins holds a Guinness. There, he demonstrated it. He went over the top. It worked for him. Cody Elkins has a Guinness Book of World Records record as the longest moving quad jump. There he goes. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? That's the money shot. Cody Elkins and Kyle Fowler. It looked fantastic. He did a whole backflip and all worked perfectly. Nice job, everybody. Now you really can come back and land if you like.
I'm actually gonna land.
All right. You can go back and talk to Wayne Boggs. He'll give you permission.
Push it back over, Bob.
Copy that.
Wow!
He has been given clearance to land. A big round of applause, if you will, for Kyle Fowler and Cody Elkins. That was amazing. And if you've got video of that, post it on Facebook, on social media.
Are you gonna do it?
So very unique airplane. And Kyle wants to say a great big thank you to Aerosport Power, powering his long EZ with the Lycoming IO 360. Art Craft of Paint.